Hey you, and welcome to this video where I will help you out how to buy Solana on Axiom Pro. The first thing that I need to tell you that if you want to create yourselves an account and you want to save up 10% at fees, click on the link in my description to create yourselves an account. Then after that, what we're going to do is we buy Solana. So then for that, we click on deposit and select right here buy. Then right here, we selected Solana, fill in right here your buy price. So let's say we want to buy 1 Solana, and then we can click right here on buy. Then right now he will send us right here to this payment page, and then we can select right here if you want to spend right there at US dollars or maybe euros, what you want. And then you see right here that we will get 0.99 Solana. Then we can select right here the payment method that we want to use. So do right now the payment method that you want to do. Then click right there on buy Sol, and then he will send us to the payment page. Then right now you need to do it by yourselves because every payment page is different, but do right here all the things that you need to fill in to complete your payment. Then after that, you bought Sol, and this is exactly how you can buy Solana on Axiom Pro. So hopefully this was exactly the video where I was looking for. Thanks for watching and have a wonderful day. Ciao.